The modern battlefield is changing. Victory is increasingly decided not by size, but by sight. The ability to see in the dark, to track targets, and to provide intelligence from above is everything. And a new generation of small, powerful, American-made drones is at the center of this revolution. The company aiming to be a leader in this new era of warfare is RedCat Holdings, ticker RCAT. For years, many investors knew them for something completely different. But today, their tale is one of a dramatic and strategic pivot from a consumer hobby into the high-stakes world of defense technology. In this deep dive, we're telling the full story of RedCat, their crucial shift, their flagship products, the huge opportunity, and the significant challenges they face. To understand RedCat today, you have to know their past. The company was once primarily known in the world of consumer and FPV, or first-person view drone racing. It was a niche, enthusiast market, but the leadership saw a much bigger opportunity. The real tale begins with their strategic decision to enter the defense sector, a move they solidified by acquiring a company called Teal Drones. This wasn't just a pivot, it was a complete transformation. They shed their consumer-facing assets and went all in on building a serious US-based drone provider for military, government, and public safety clients. It was a bet that the future wasn't in racing, but in reconnaissance. So what makes them special? It comes down to their flagship product, the Teal 2. This isn't a toy drone. The Teal 2 is a military-grade reconnaissance system designed for nighttime operations. Its key feature is a cutting-edge thermal imaging sensor from a top-tier supplier, giving soldiers and first responders a critical advantage in the dark. But most importantly, the Teal 2 is on the Department of Defense's Blue UAS list. This is the golden ticket. It certifies the drone as secure, vetted, and approved for government acquisition, putting RedCat in an elite group of trusted American drone manufacturers. This certification is the foundation of their entire defense tale. The opportunity is enormous. The US and its allies are actively seeking to build up their fleets of small, secure drones from trusted sources. And this brings us to the recent news. In late May, RedCat announced a new multi-million-dollar order for the Teal 2 from a NATO-allied country. This isn't just another sale, it's a huge validation. It proves that the demand for their technology is global and that being a trusted USA-made platform is a powerful selling point on the world stage. Every contract like this builds their story, one drone at a time. But the path ahead is not without risk. This is the most challenging chapter in their tale. RedCat faces intense competition from other established defense tech companies. Government contracts have long and unpredictable sales cycles. And like any small company in a capital-intensive industry, they face the financial challenges of scaling production and funding continuous research and development to stay ahead. Their success depends entirely on their ability to execute and win these major government contracts consistently. So the tale of RedCat is clear. It's a story of a bold pivot powered by elite, approved technology that is validated by recent international orders. They're a small company fighting for a piece of the massive defense technology pie. The opportunity is there, but the challenges are immense. What are your thoughts on RedCat's strategic pivot into defense? Let me know in the comments. For more deep dive tales, like and subscribe. This is not financial advice. You're watching Stock Teller, where every ticker has a tail.